Welcome, here I've got the VIVO Y20s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this because the leveler here is only available in the Pro mode, so let's focus on this settings bar and let's go to the right to more. So here we have access to other modes of this camera. Now let's pick the Pro mode. Here we are, don't be scared about these settings, you can also use this mode on the auto settings. I can also invite you to my other film where I explain how to use this. Now let's move here to this button. When we tap on this we can turn on our leveler and just another tap to turn it off, like that. So for now let me keep this turned on. As you can see we have this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how it works. And of course, to turn this off, we have to just simply tap again here, and to go back to the standard photo mode, let's just tap here on this X letter. Here we are again in the photo mode. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.